Hi, I'm Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums and to this little sound demonstration video that I'm making for you today. And it's to accompany the listing on Etsy for this beautiful shamanic drum just here. Now this is a deer skin drum. It's on a willow wood 18-inch frame, and as you can see it's been dyed. Predominantly it's very, very pink, but more importantly to me is this beautiful actually need to turn it the right way around, beautiful design that I've dyed on the front there as well. On the back of the drum, if I turn it over, you can see it's got a branch handle, and it also is laced with artificial sinew, which is extremely strong and resilient to the effects of moisture. On the handle here I've engraved, it's like a divine feminine type image, the roots of the tree coming up, wrapping and weaving their way around this beautiful sacred divine feminine figure, with the branches coming from the top of her head, and along the top there we have the phases of the moon, which is rather beautiful. I've repeated that design on the inside of the frame as well, and I've put the date of birth in there, and it's the 9th of June 2022, night in Paris, Wales, the UK, and that's to enable you to find out what astrological energies were around on the day when this drum was birthed. Also in there is my maker's mark. So let's have a little play. I'm going to play with a soft beater and a firmer beater. Both give a slightly different sound. Either of these are available to purchase on as an option if you decide to buy the drum. So here we go. Beautiful. And then the softer beater. Sorry, got carried away there. That was a long play, wasn't it? Okay, well, I hope this has helped you to make a more informed decision. It's very difficult buying online. That's why we make these little videos, so you can come along and have a little listen before you commit to such a large purchase. I'm Crow. It's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.